Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks. We talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. We're going to run out to Plug Uglies Customs today. It's an independent bike shop owned by a couple of friends of mine, and check out the Street Reaper. I heard it was in town. If you haven't heard about the Street Reaper, I'll link a video at the end of this one that's on their channel. It's a custom street glide that they did for an old boy out of Illinois, and it has lots and lots of custom airbrush work that was done by Plug Uglies, and a bunch of custom aftermarket parts were put on the bike and stuff. They got to do a lot of cool stuff on it. It's a cool looking bike, but I heard it was back in town and they were gonna do some more stuff to it, so we're gonna go see what is up with the Street Reaper. Tuesday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. to whenever they give it up. Sunday and Monday closed. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram. Well, there ain't nobody at the front desk. They must be back in the shop working. What's up? I heard you guys had the Street Reaper in town, so I'd come out and see what you were up to.
Gonna do some audio on that bad boy.
Gonna do some audio on it?
Yes, sir. The stuff I did before didn't hold up to the elements, I guess. So.
This is Corey.
What up?
This is Cody. What you doing, man?
See it.
What's up, Donnie? So what are you fixing to put on this thing?
We're gonna do 6x9s in the bags, which I already did. Like I said, they just didn't hold up to the elements, so we're gonna run another set of 6.5 or 6x9s in the bags. The customer also bought a tour pack, and it's got 6x9. It's got a 6x9 lid on it, so we're gonna do 2 sets of 6x9s, and then we're gonna do a set of 6.5 components in the fairing.
Cool.
6x9s are DB Drive, and the 6.5s are going to be AD Designs, which is a new company we started dealing with. So,
right on.
this is our trial run. So.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, go out and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to be notified to see new videos. As always, I appreciate your support. Thanks, be safe, and keep on riding.